The 4000J Gaming Surge Protector Power Strip is designed for gaming and desktop setups that need more than just basic power distribution. It combines 6 wide-spaced outlets with USB charging, RGB lighting, and a 20W PD fast charging feature, giving it a more setup-focused design than a conventional power strip. The 6 wide-spaced outlets are particularly useful for gaming equipment and larger power adapters, since the spacing can make it easier to connect multiple devices without bulky plugs interfering with each other. For a gaming desk, that can be practical when several pieces of equipment need power in the same area. One of the more distinctive features is the built-in RGB lighting. This adds visual customization to a gaming setup and can complement other RGB-equipped components, although the lighting is primarily an aesthetic feature rather than something that changes how the connected devices perform. The 4000 Joule Surge Protection rating is another important part of the design, providing a layer of protection for connected electronics against electrical surges. That makes surge protection a key consideration for anyone using the strip with gaming or desktop equipment. The USB ports add another level of convenience by allowing compatible devices to be charged without occupying one of the main AC outlets. The inclusion of 20W power delivery fast charging is especially useful for compatible devices that support higher-speed USB charging, helping make the power strip more than simply an extension of available wall outlets. For a desk with phones, accessories, and gaming hardware, having charging built into the same unit can help keep cables and power connections more organized. The main strength of this power strip is the combination of functionality and gaming-oriented design. 6 wide-spaced outlets, 4000J surge protection, USB charging, 20W PD, and RGB lighting cover several common needs in one product. The trade-off is that users who only need basic power distribution may not benefit much from the RGB lighting or fast USB charging features. But for a gaming or workstation setup where multiple devices and convenient charging are priorities, this power strip offers a practical combination of power management, protection, and visual customization.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.